Better late than never. In a small village lived a family of diplodocus dinosaurs. Demi, the breadwinner of the family, worked very hard to take care of them all. But no matter what she did, how hard she worked, how little she asked for in return, her family was never appreciative of her efforts. Be it her parents or her siblings, they never did anything for her, but always asked Demi for new things and favors. One day, Demi felt sick, and for weeks she had been bedridden. Slowly, the family's savings finished, and so did the food in the house. With Demi unable to work, they all realized just how dependent they were on Demi's single-handed efforts. Guilty and apologetic, they had an all-new appreciation for everything she did. Happily, Demi's mother declared, "Sometimes it may take longer to identify a gem, but it is always better late than never." The Lazy Dinosaur. One fine sunny day in winter, a lazy dinosaur was mindlessly roaming around the forest. He was very, very hungry, not having eaten anything since the previous night. He looked about to find something to eat. Suddenly, he saw a group of dinosaurs carrying food to their caves to store and savor. He went up to them and asked, "Can you please give me something to eat? I haven't eaten anything since yesterday. I am starving." One of the dinosaurs asked him, "What were you doing the whole summer? Why didn't you store food for the winter?" Ashamed, the dinosaur replied, "Honestly, I lazed around and procrastinated the summer away." The group chuckled and remarked, "Then starve the winter away." The lazy dinosaur pulled a long face and walked away, thinking, "It is true that hard work has no substitute." Wickedness. Once a Carnotaurus dinosaur was roaming around in search of prey. He came near a large group of Gallimimus dinosaurs. While planning to hunt one of them, he got a wicked idea. He thought of killing one and then using its skin to cover himself up and living with Gallimimus dinosaurs, pretending to be one of them. Then he could eat them all. All covered up with the skin, he entered the group. He hid around for a day or two, and then one day he prepared for the hunt. But he noticed all the dinosaurs were running scared. Confused at the mayhem, he looked around and noticed a huge Tyrannosaurus chasing the group. The Tyrannosaurus immediately spotted the Carnotaurus. Mistaking the disguised Carnotaurus for a healthy-looking Gallimimus, he gobbled him up. Wickedness is its own punishment. The Carnotaurus wanted the Gallimimus as his meal, but himself became one. Evil Nate. Once upon a time, there lived a dinosaur, Nate, so old that he was unable to step out of his cave to hunt anymore. Famished, he kept thinking about how to get food without leaving the cave, and at last he had an idea. He decided to pretend to be ill, and those who came to inquire after his health would become his prey. Nate put his wicked plan into practice, and it worked. So many of his well-wishers came to see him and became food. One by one, so many dinosaurs were disappearing from the forest. Everyone thought that he should consult old Nate. Age would have made him wiser with experience. Maybe he could help. Once inside the cave, they saw the remains of all the missing dinosaurs. Realizing what was going on, they hacked Nate to death. Evil is short-lived and never yields good results.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.